Hey doll, so it's your girl A. Coming at you guys today with a quick little tutorial using the Outre Timeless Pineapple Ponytail in the style Hottie, having the color SSS1B30, and this is going to be I purchased this from missbarn.com. Of course, I will leave purchase links down below. Now, you guys see I don't have a traditional ponytail base to do a drawstring ponytail, but you know what, I'm gonna show you guys something quick and easy to where you don't even have to worry about that, because my braids are basically going to act as an anchor for the ponytail. And before I even throw the ponytail on, I'm going to basically stuff it so it gets that height that if I did have a normal ponytail base, it'll I don't have that, so I'm gonna stuff it to give it height so it doesn't look flat or anything like that, so it looks as natural as possible. And then I'm gonna use my wig grip to hold my scarf in place so my scarf doesn't slide or anything, because we don't want that scarf to slide telling our secret. So I'm gonna meet you guys in the outro. Let me know what you think about this quick little tutorial. Comment down below, of course. Make sure you share this video and other videos of mine, and definitely comment down below and we'll discuss later. And I will talk to you dolls later. Make sure you guys are following me on Facebook and Instagram. I am Aya all day, and I will talk to you dolls later. Bye. Alright y'all, so I have finished styling the Outre Timeless Pineapple Ponytail in a style Hottie, having a color S1B30. I was getting ready to say F. The 1B in the 30 is mixing pretty good. It's not too choppy, but I more than likely should have went with the 1B because it's a lot of 30 going on, but I don't mind it. It's still super cute. As you guys can see, I didn't have to brush my hair into a ponytail and attach the drawstring on. I actually just attached it to my base that I wear underneath my wigs, because I knew that I had some wigs to review. So I was like, I don't really feel like unbraiding it, but I want a ponytail. So I figured, I was like, let me see if I can really finesse this, and I think I did a pretty good job of it. So in conclusion, it does work. This is very protective styling where you honestly don't have to manipulate your own hair too much if you don't want to. All you just need is a scarf and a wig grip so your scarf doesn't move, because sometimes with your scarves they can move, but this does look like I have a good pineapple ponytail going on, and it's very natural looking. I love the texture of it. Of course, the older it gets, the more frizzier it'll get, and so it'll look really nice over time. This ponytail was inexpensive. It was under $10, so definitely good style to achieve. I really, really like this. I love the curls on it. Very, very pretty curls. Like, yeah, you can definitely achieve the style in under 3 minutes or less, you know, if you know what you're doing. Like I said, all you need is some bobby pins, a cute little scarf, and you know, a wig grip, basically, so it'll hold your scarf in place so it doesn't rise up on the back of your nape, so you know nobody sees your base, because you can't see my base. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Outre Timeless Ponytail Hottie on me. Of course, we'll discuss down in the comment section below. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I am Aya All Day. And definitely check out my other videos as well. I have tons of them. So definitely check out my other videos. And don't forget to share, and I will talk to you dolls later. Bye.